The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, power windows, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.